Imagine you are finishing up a lovely evening in a cozy Irish pub, maybe enjoying some traditional music, or perhaps saying goodbye to new friends after a delicious meal. As you head out, someone offers you a warm farewell. What exactly might they be saying, and what does it mean? Well, if you hear the phrase Oíche Mhaith, pronounced like Iha wa, it simply means good night in the Irish language, also known as Gaeilge. It is a warm and common way to wish someone well as they head home or to bed, marking the end of the day's interactions. The phrase is a direct translation, with Oíche meaning night and Mhaith meaning good. In Irish, certain grammatical rules called mutations change the initial sound of words depending on the words that come before them. Here, ma, which means good, changes to Mhaith after Oíche. This linguistic feature is a fascinating part of learning Irish pronunciation, as it helps create a smoother flow of sounds. Using Oíche Mhaith is quite straightforward. You can say it to anyone when you are parting ways in the evening, much like you would say good night in English. There is no special context needed beyond the time of day. If someone says Oíche Mhaith to you, a simple and appropriate response could be to say it back, or perhaps a cheerful slán go foil, meaning goodbye for a while. Embracing a few basic Irish phrases like Oíche Mhaith truly enhances your connection to the culture. Many Irish people, even if they do not speak Gaeilge fluently, appreciate the effort when visitors use these traditional greetings. It shows respect and a genuine interest in their heritage, often leading to even warmer interactions and a deeper travel experience. It is a small gesture that carries a lot of meaning. So, whether you are enjoying the vibrant nightlife in Dublin, soaking in the serene landscapes of the wild Atlantic Way, or simply sharing a cup of tea with new acquaintances, knowing how to say Oíche Mhaith will help you seamlessly blend into the rhythm of Irish life. It is more than just two words. It is a cultural nod that opens doors and builds connections, making your visit feel even more authentic and memorable.